What's going on, everybody? Got Jake and Sam here with Lane Sports Cards. Ripping 2023 Topps Chrome Baseball Logofractor Edition 10-box break, number 63 random team style. Looking at random results at Aaron M with the Yanks on a Philip T at the Red Sox. As always, you can find those results at any time on the results tab, LaneSportsCards.com. Let's go ahead and get started. Thank you guys for filling this one up.
Yeah, thank you guys. Again, Silver Pack promo for the last 5 breaks of the night. Both Origins breaks, 5 Silver Packs apiece, given away to 5 different people.
Top 5 get 1 each.
Yep, that's a better way of saying it.
And then in the 18 Prism, top 5 get 2 each.
Yep.
Volpe.
Let's go, Aaron. See,
Carol.
Aaron's got good taste in baseball teams, man.
Very nice. Again, those are roughly 25 to 30 bucks in value.
Yeah, sometimes more too. So, like in a break like H2, if you hit one, you automatically guaranteed to make half your spot price back.
Of course, you're chasing the snake guys in there. Wemby's are in there.
Oh yeah,
Big potential.
big time. Thank you, Alan. Elite Kings a Prism spot. Alan R. Appreciate you, bro.
2 logos. Fujinami, Oakland rookie. Pink to 199, Hunter Brown for the Astros. Green 299, Manny Machado Padres. Got Yoshida and Verlander. Got Kershaw Dodgers. Hunter Brown Astros. Future stars of Anthony Volpe for the Yanks. Got Mullins and Riley Green.
See a Volpe auto.
Yeah, we didn't
a lot
see
of Volpe variations.
We didn't see an auto in the last 10.
Or variation, right?
So, no. So, we're definitely due. Get that nice gunner, but should see an auto here.
Potentially. Or 2, maybe. Hey guys, my name's Jaw. I need more ants.
Jesus. Bryce Harper, Philly. Got future stars Francisco Alvarez, Mets. Got Michael Toglia, rookie auto, Rockies. There you go, Colorado. Nice Toglia. Got Mookie Betts and Toglia again. There's an auto right there.
Hell yeah.
Pasquantino Royals. Got Corbin Burns Brewers. Purple to 250, Kodai Senga Mets. Go Mets. Got DeGrom and Jordan Groshans.
When's Bofa back from vacation?
Tomorrow, I think.
Let's go. Batting average 200 points. Fair. Fair.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
JW with the Dynasty F1 personal.
Nice, nice, nice.
Non-Ashty. F1.
Is that per box?
Huh?
Is that per box or is that a case?
What do you mean?
The Dynasty.
Pretty sure it's just 1 box. Let me see. Yeah, 1 box.
Take a Judge or Volpe. Let's do it.
Do it.
Got Seiya Suzuki Cubbies. Stephen Kwan Guardians. Blue to 150, Zico Duran Rangers rookie. Got Gunnar Henderson on the image variation. There we go. O's. Nice hit there, Baltimore. Gavin K. Gunnar. And Nolan Gorman. So we hit an auto and image variation.
Hell yeah.
Got me Moreno D-backs. Otani Angels. Got Grissom rookie at Braves. Trey Turner and Xander Bogaerts.
Let's go, Tigers. Yanks sucked. Can we sweep you? What happened there?
Okay, not very many teams left in Stadium Club Baseball. Teams on sale there.
Yes, they are. Who's left? Origins H2 again. 26 to go. $60 a spot. Chasing the Wembies. Chasing the Snake Eyes.
Let's get it, y'all. Silver pack giveaway as well. Top 5 each. Get 1. And then in the 18 Prism, top 5 get 2. 2 apiece. Got a Nick Prado rookie Royals. Max Scherzer Mets. Got a Tristan Casas for the Red Sox. 275 Zico Tovar Rockies. The yellow. And Real Muto.
Also, Lane, just, what was I going to say? Informed me that both will be back at work on Wednesday,
Gunna.
in case you were wondering.
Gotcha. Bo Naylor. Got Christian Morel, 199 rookie Cubbies. Got Brett Beatty. And Tatis. Wednesday, both will be back.
Thank God.
Just in time for Bowman, huh?
Yeah. Hey, welcome back, buddy. Here's Bowman.
Volpe.
Jesus Christ, man. All right.
Really?
Yeah. $200 card.
That's unreal.
Weird.
I mean, he is playing.
He is playing out of his freaking mind. He would probably win MVP if the season ended right now, I would say. Him or maybe Soto. I'm going to say Soto. I'm going to give it to the Yankee. That's where my vote would go, because I'm biased.
I'll say Gunner rookie on the back there. Oats.
Him and Silver for $12.50. Holy crap, Lane. Unreal, dude. His market is so hot and stupid.
Gunna for Baltimore. Bo Naylor Guardians. Got purple to 250. Landon Sosa White Sox rookie. Got Mike Trout. And Brett Beatty.
But he's next, man. Somebody made a really good point about Anthony Edwards, too.
Vlad Jr. Acuna. Got Brett Beatty. Future Stars rookie Mets. Got Riley Green on the rookie image variation auto. 10
Nice.
of 25.
Go.
Tigers. Philip T.
Let's go, Phil.
Riley Green. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Let's go, man. That is sick. And Adley. Yeah, that's nice, man.
That is nasty. I know. It's going to be magged, but...
They're the D-Town duo right there. Chase and Spencer.
Oh, yeah. Those nerds. Actually, maybe not.
No?
I mean, I guess do it, but it doesn't need to be, like, fetid or anything. It's like a $180 card.
Okay.
But I think that's fine. Why not?
Yeah, we'll mag that for you. That's
Yeah,
nasty.
Those don't pop out very often. So.
That's nasty.
Yeah, he's playing well, too, man. Riley Green's playing really well. All that man cards are PC only.
Got Arenado for the Cardinals. Bobichette Blue Jays. Got Gunna Orioles. Michael Toglia for the Rockies. And Kate Cavalli. Got Corbin Burns. Bryce Harper to 150. Byron Buxton 20s. And a gold of DL Hall to 50 for the Oats. DL Hall. Got Mookie. What's up?
What the hell? Logofractor.
Plenty of breaks to fill up tonight, y'all. Doing silver pack giveaways as well.
Mm-hmm.
Get them filled on up. Chase Wemby tonight. Chase Josh Allen. Lamar.
Vin Baker, yeah. He was an NBA player in the 80s and 90s who got suspended for drug use and kind of like ruined his career. Sad story about Vin Baker. Played for the Sonics. I think he was on a couple of those teams. I think he was on that team that went to the finals, if I'm not mistaken, in the 80s against Jordan. He's good. He's really good.
Got Freddie Freeman Dodgers. Zeke Tovar rookie Rockies. Got Riley Green Tigers. Rafi and Alec Thomas. Ezekiel Durant Rangers. Max Meyer Marlins. Got Corbin Carroll rookie on the Future Stars 99. 599 on the green D-backs. And
Nice.
Josh Young, rookie auto for the Rangers, numbered to 99 on the green. That is sick. 29 of 99. There you go, Rangers. It's Josh Young. George Springer. I don't think so.
I would assume no. Yeah, I'm not even going to bother. Nice.
That's from their Texas.
That's kind of cool, actually.
That's Brady. That's Brady.
It's kind of cool, actually, Noah. Also, all I know is if there was a Publix rotisserie chicken in front of me right now, I would eviscerate it. Like a Wolverine.
3 autos. Man,
That's good, man. Good ones, too.
these were waiting. This random team was waiting.
Yeah.
Someone was trash talking Logofractor earlier.
Sometimes you gotta... No, that's fair, Ed. That's fair. Complain to gain, baby.
That's right.
Complain to gain. I don't want to push that narrative too much here, though. I gotta be real with you.
Got Shane McClanahan Rays. Jose Altuve Astros. Yelda 75. JT Realmuto Phillies. Got Spencer Steer for the Reds. And ATL Micah Braves.
Put any rotisserie chicken in front of me. God, 19 and 20 bonus.
Arenado. Boba Shed. Pink to 199. Matt Olson Braves.
It's never hit
Kate
it.
Cavalli Nats. And Luis Robert.
See, this is what we're starting now, Chandler. Talk trash about the product, not the breakers. Yeah, true. I mean,
Fair
if you
enough.
talk trash about the breakers, you can just kick rocks, dude. I don't care. Whatever. I'm not gonna lose sleep, but
Sam sucks.
I'm not losing sleep, man. Say that 1,000 more times, I'm not gonna lose sleep.
That was a gunner rookie there for Baltimore.
Available in state. D-backs, Marlins, Brewers, Cardinals, Rays.
Let's get Stadium Club filled on up, y'all. It's been a while since he ripped some Stadium Club.
Yeah, dude. Bucks, Magic, Rays, Ravens, Yanks, Hawks, suck. Didn't you just get swept? I think you just keep
Mark Vientos, rookie Mets.
forgetting you got swept.
Got Garrett Mitchell for the Brewers. Got gold to 50, Bobby Witt. There you go, Royals. It's Bobby Witt gold.
Hey, thank you, Brad, taking the Brew Crew.
ATL Michael for the Braves to 150. And Jordan Walker. Got Jock Peterson. Oswald Cabrera to 250, Byron Buxton Twins. Garrett Cole and Yordo.
Hell yeah.
Thank you, man.
Appreciate that, Dark
Much
Boys.
appreciated. Last box here, guys, and then we're on to Super Jumbo. Super Jumbo Mixer.
Did you pick anything up while you're here? So there's that. Yeah, there you go, Ed. I remember hearing about that.
All right, last set of Logofractor packs here. Good luck. Got Gabby Moreno D-backs. Shohei Angels to 150. Salvador Perez Royals on the blue. Christian Yelich and Trey Turner. And last pack here.
Hell yeah. Slabbing a bunch from the bin box. Let's go.
Bayo for the Red Sox. Got Dio Hall Orioles. 299. Got Liover Peguero for the Pirates rookie. The green. Got Bryce Sarang and Oswald Peraza. Alrighty. Do a quick recap here. We'll move on.
Before you hold on.
Appreciate the fill on this, guys. Thank you. You good?
Stick those and I'll get you the blue. That should be good.
Got purples to 250 of Bucks and Twins. So rookie White Sox, Senga rookie Mets to 199, Morel rookie Cubs, Brown rookie Astros, Olsen Braves. We had Salvador Perez for the Royals to 150, Bucks and Twinnies, ATL Michael Braves, Duran Rangers to 99, Machado Padres, Peguero Pirates, and Carroll D-backs to 75, Romuto Phillies, and Tovar Rockies to 50, Bobby Witt Jr. Royals, and DL Hall Orioles. Had autos of Michael Toglia for the Rockies, Josh Young for the Rangers to 99. Had the image variation of Gunnar Henderson for the O's rookie. That's on that Baltimore. And then we had the Riley Green rookie image variation autograph, number 10 of 25 for the Tigers. That's D-Town. It's awesome. All right, y'all, that's going to do it for Logofractor 10 box number 63. On to Super Jumbo.